So this is question number 15. In your book, it may be one or two here and there. Must check the question. Question number 15. This is written down value method. Once again, today I will tell you this question, written down value method, because in this question the selling price is to be calculated, loss is already given. We have not done this type of question, so today I am telling you about this. Prince, this is a different type of question where the selling price is not given. अभी तक आपको सेल प्राइस दिया हुआ था and we were calculating profit or loss. Here loss is given and we have to see what is the selling price of the machine. We have to calculate the selling price of the machine. So be ready. आप भी साथ साथ करते रहेंगे क्वेश्चन. Start from this side. Put the date. On 1st October 2007, on 1st October 2007, (2008) depreciation will be charged for how many months? प्रिंस 1 अक्टूबर को मशीन खरीदी है, कितने महीने का डेप्रिसिएशन लगेगा?
6 months.
6 months. Very good. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी एंड मार्च, 6 मंथ का डेप लगेगा. ऑन हाउ मच? 50,000 पे 15%. 15 5 7,500, 7,500 for whole year. So half will be 3,750. Subtract from this, it will be 46,250. And this amount we will bring down. 2008 1st April. $46,250. 46,250 is brought down. Keep your cameras on, Sakshi, Ayan and Sekhar, Rini. Then afterwards, don't cry when I will remove you from the class. Hassan, one more machine is purchased. What is the date? Sleeping. Hassan.
I can't find the question. I'm just joined late.
Question number 15. ये तुम्हें अमाउंट नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? 50,000 की मशीन खरीदी है. फाइंड द क्वेश्चन इन विच द मशीन इज परचेज्ड फॉर 50,000. खुशप्रीत, the new machine is purchased again, one more machine is purchased. What is the amount? Harshpant,
Sir, 10,000.
yes, the new machine is purchased for rupees 10,000 on 1st December. अमाउंट हमने यहाँ लिख भी दिया पहले से. The total is 56,250. The total is 56,250. Now, this side,
Sir,
depreciation will be charged on two machines. एक 6,250, the another one 10,000. इन दोनों पे अब depreciation charge होगा. Yes. The two machines are, एक की वैल्यू हो गई है 46,250 and the another one is 10,000. दोनों पे 15% depreciation. 15% depreciation will be charged on both the machines.
$6,938, sir.
Very good. किसने बताया?
Prince Odela.
Who has told this? Very good. 6,938. And because this machine, the second machine, is purchased on December 1st. On December 1st, therefore, the depreciation will be charged for 4 months. 4 months on this second machine. 15% is 1,500. So for 4 months, it is 500. Total depreciation 7,438. Now you must be knowing the method to calculate the balance. To calculate the balance, we have to subtract the value like this. From this, we will subtract this, and from 10,000, we will subtract the depreciation. Balance on 31st March. First, second, 46,250 में से 6,938 ये depreciation minus करेंगे. It is 39,312. And this is 9,000. साथ साथ क्वेश्चन करते भी रहिए. Side by side, keep doing the question and pay attention to what is being done. It is a 8 marks question, my dear students. That is why every day, every day now I am solving questions for you. One question of different type I am solving every day for you. So you can understand how important it is, this chapter is. Reni, is it clear to you?
No, sir. Sir, it is not clear.
Is it clear? You have to do the questions at home. You have to practice a lot of questions at home. Then only you are going to understand. Watch the videos again. How a question is solved from top to bottom. किधर से किधर को move कर रहे हैं. You have to know this. If you follow the steps, then only you will be able to understand and you will be able to do the questions. ये ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई एक साथ start कर दे. If you copy from somebody, you will copy this side first. You do not know that we have to move from this to this side. Then find the balance. Then bring that balance down. Then a new machine is purchased, add it. Calculate depreciation separately on both the machines. Then subtract the depreciation from the cost and write the balance. Then take this balance forward to the next year. So Rini, how many questions have you solved at home? Rini, how many questions have you solved at home?
Sir, I am unable to hear your voice.
Huh?
Sir, I am unable to hear your voice. It's coming so low.
Volume बढ़ाइए. My volume is okay. Everybody is getting the voice.
Yes, sir.
You raise the volume. Unless you solve the questions, it is not going to help at all. आप हमें 50 क्वेश्चन भी करते हुए देख लीजिए. You will not get unless you are doing it by yourself. Now we have to bring this balance to this side. This is on 2009, 1st April. To balance brought down first machine, second machine, 39,312, 9,500. These two machines are brought down. And now very important thing. The first machine, this one, 50,000. This machine was sold on 31st March 2010. On 31st March 2010. ये मशीन जो है 31 मार्च 2010 को बेच दी है और लॉस में बेची है. कितने लॉस में बेची है? 5,000. 5,000 रुपीज लॉस में बेची है. इस पे डेप लगाइए आप ये वाली मशीन पे. 39,312, इस पे डेप लगेगा पूरे साल का 15%। शेखर, हाउ मच इज द डेप? 39,312, 15%, कैलकुलेट। रवि, शेखर, एनीबडी एल्स?
5897.
हाउ मच? How much? Once again. Depreciation on this machine 39,312. इस मशीन पे डेप लगाना है 15% फॉर द होल ईयर।
897, sir.
ओके, 5,897। सो अब आप निकाल सकते हैं व्हाट वुड बी द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ दिस मशीन। मशीन को कितने का बेचा होगा? नाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट। हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट? 39,312, 39,312 is the cost of machine, reduced cost of machine। उसमें से 5897 5897 उसमें डेप लग गया। 5897 is the debt. So now calculate the reduced value. How much it will be? Side by side, keep on doing the calculations.
28,415. 28,415.
Debt first. I said first you minus the debt. First you minus the debt. ये देखिए, ये आपका है 39,000, मैं यहां पर लिख रहा हूं 39,312। मशीन थी 39,312 की। आफ्टर दिस वी रिड्यूस द डेट 5,897। माइनस करके बताइए मुझे।
$28,415.
किसको किससे माइनस करना बेटा? 39,312 माइनस 5,897।
33,415.
33,325 उसकी कॉस्ट हो गई बेटा। द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मशीन इज 33,325 reduced cost। अब आपने उसे जो है 5,000 लॉस में बेच दिया। अगर आप 33,325 की मशीन को 5,000 लॉस में बेचेंगे तो कितने की बिकेगी? The machine
Sir, 30.
sold for 28,415। This is the answer, 28,415 rupees। यानी कि आपने और कम में बेची मशीन। इन दिस क्वेश्चन लॉस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, depreciation we have calculated, and the selling price of the machine is calculated, 28,415। अभी एक और मशीन बची है, ये सेकंड मशीन बची है अभी 9,500। ये जो 9500 की सेकंड मशीन बची हुई है, अब इस पे आप 15% डेप लगाइए। 15% डेप 9500 पे 15% डेप कितना आएगा?
1425 1425
1425 31st March by balance 9500 minus depreciation 1425, ये बैलेंस है। And this balance now will be taken further to the next year. This balance will now be taken further to the next year 2011. Eight zero seven five. 8075. This is the complete solution of the question, which is of 8 marks. You can copy the question fast, and if required, you can ask me the step or the process how we have done the question. If you want, you can ask principal, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually, beta, you have to know the procedure. You have to know the procedure of doing the question. You have to know the cycle. You have to know, इसमें इतने सारे अमाउंट हैं. Every amount is to be calculated, arrived at after doing certain calculations. So वो क्या कर रहे हैं हम? What are we doing in those calculations? How we are doing it? This you can only know if you are regular to the class, if you are attending every class regularly, if you are listening properly, and after that you are practicing at least 3 or 4 questions daily. If you are not doing 4 to 5 questions daily, you are not going to get anything in this chapter. And in accounts, all the chapters, you need to practice at least 1 hour or 1.5 hour daily numericals. Then only you will be able to understand what is this going on. Once again, I repeat, all those who are not regular, Sekhar, not regular. Many of the students are there, those who are not regular. When the message is sent to them, then they come for one class, again they are off. This way, they are going to suffer in the last. Many of you are not practicing anything at home. That is the another reason why you are not able to understand the things. That is another reason. If you are regular, you are listening, you are doing sums at home, numericals, then you will find no problem at all. Now, once again, I am telling you the procedure. I am telling you the step as to how this question is done in this. And then you will be able to get it. Look here, please. The asset was purchased for 50,000. 50,000. Depreciation for the 6 month, 1st October to 31st March. 6 month depreciation is charged 3750. 50,000 में से 3750 माइनस किया, so this is the balance 46,250. This balance is brought down. Another machine is purchased 10,000. अब आपको दो depreciation लगाने, दो मशीन है, because there are two machines. You have to calculate depreciation on two machines. First machine 46,250, second machine 10,000. फर्स्ट मशीन पे पूरे साल का डेप्रिसिएशन है 15%, 6938. सेकंड मशीन पे 4 मंथ्स का डेप्रिसिएशन है, बिकॉज द मशीन इज परचेज्ड ऑन 1st December एंड इट इज 500. इसी तरीके से फिर आप आगे बढ़ गए, फिर आपने डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट किया. लॉस क्वेश्चन का पहले से दिया हुआ है. सेकंड वो फर्स्ट मशीन जो है ये 39,312 की जो मशीन है, दिस मशीन इज सोल्ड. अब अगर वो मशीन बेची है तो आपको कैलकुलेट करना है कितने की बेची है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन दैट मशीन. इट इज 5897. फिर मैंने आपको इधर सॉल्व करके दिखाया. मशीन थी 39,312 की, 5,897 उसमें डेप लगा, मशीन हो गई 33,415 की. फिर आपने उसे 5,000 लेस करके लॉस में बेचा है, तो आपने उसे बेचा 28,415 का. एक और मशीन बची अभी यहां पर, सेकंड मशीन 9,500 की. होल ईयर डेप विल बी चार्ज्ड ऑन दिस मशीन विच विल बी इक्वल टू 1425. उसको माइनस करने के बाद आपका balance of the second machine is 8075 and that is brought down to the next year 1st April 2011 को मशीन की वैल्यू है 8075, रिमेनिंग मशीन जो है. सो हसन, आर यू गेटिंग? हसन, मुझे लग रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रही है. हर्ष पंत, आर यू गेटिंग द वॉइस?
Yes, sir.
हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will ask the questions and you know very soon the schools are going to reopen and then you will have to show each and everything. All your exams will be offline. All your exams will be offline. In December you will have exam of all the subject, not periodic. It will be big exam, around 50 marks offline. And then if you are not able to perform well, फरवरी में आपके फाइनल एग्जाम है. फरवरी सेकेंड वीक you will have your final exam of class 11, whole syllabus. So don't take it lightly. Only 2 months you have. You have only 2 to 3 months to complete each and everything. So be very serious. Be very regular, attentive. अपने मोबाइल्स को ठीक करिए. अपने जो है ऐसी जगह पे रहिए जहां पर आपके कनेक्शन अच्छे आते हो. डोंट मेक इट अ एक्सक्यूज. आवाज नहीं आ रही है, ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. जिसको पढ़ना है उसके पास आवाज पहुंच रही है. All those who are serious about studies, they have no problem of this net or mobile or any other thing. Only those who are insincere, irregular, have no interest, they have hundreds of excuses. Afterward, At the end of the year, these excuses will not be counted. What will be counted will be your marks in the exam. That's all. So this is my request as well as warning to all, that be regular, be serious, complete your work, do enough numericals every day to be able to solve the questions in the exam. Today, many of the students were joining at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock was class 12th. आपको टाइम टेबल भेज रखा है, तब भी आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. Tuesday and Wednesday, your class is at 8 o'clock, 8:10. Tuesday and Wednesday. Tomorrow your class is at 8:10. Monday, Thursday and Friday, it is at 9:10. Monday, Thursday and Friday, 9:10. Tuesday and Wednesday, 8:10. Note down somewhere. And from tomorrow, be regular. Inform others also. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.